Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Pelican travel luggage, the ATX 30. So let's take a look. Briefly going over some specs, this has an exterior dimension of 30 by 20 by 12.1 inches, and it has an interior dimension of 25.9 by 17.6 by 10 inches. Volume of 90 liters. Weighs in at 21.9 pounds. The material used are polypropylene blend, zinc alloy, and ABS. Multi-stage extension handle, lifetime warranty, field repairable and replaceable parts, TSA locking latches, waterproof and dustproof, internal compression straps and zipper, Hinomoto 360 spinner wheels. Here is a side-by-side comparison between the 25 and the 22-inch ATX luggage, which I also have reviewed in the past. The link is in the description box below if you want to know more about it. Looking at the ATX 30, you can see the front side, it has the branding on the top, and you have the premium hard side design. It's waterproof and it's also dustproof. It has the soft close handles on the top, bottom, and the side. The back has the automatic pressurization valve, and on the side you have the branding. You also have the press and pull TSA latches, combo lock, and then the soft close handle. The backside also has a multiple stage extension handle. A look at the sides again, you have the latches and the handles on the top, bottom, and also on the left side. You also have the 360-degree spinner wheels on the bottom. Opening it up is simple. Just press and pull on the latches. Inside you can see the top has a breathable mesh non-catch storage pockets, and right behind that you can open it up for additional storage. The bottom half you have a large compression panel secured by the Velcro, and in the interior you have the ripstop liner throughout. The top portion edge you have the O-ring seal that lines it for the waterproof and dustproof capabilities. Closing it is simple, just pull the top back up and secure the latches all around. Checking the weight, I have it coming in at roughly 22.1 pounds. So here are my thoughts on the ATX 30. Just like the other two sizes, the 22-inch and 25-inch, this one doesn't disappoint. It feels very solid, well built, and durable. It's waterproof, dustproof, and has the multiple stage handle along with the tough interior lining. This luggage series is definitely something to put on your list if you're looking for something that has the ultimate protection. I have left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.